Hi, this is Melody Wilson with the Real Life team at RE/MAX Lead, and today I'm going to talk to you about the stats in the real estate market in August. So in August, the market continued to be a little bit busy. It is summertime, but of course, with the crazy amount of listings that we continue to have, definitely was a challenge for our sellers to sell their home. So your odds of selling in August went down from July, not by a lot, but it did go down. The inventory level continues to rise. However, on these market stats that include all of Edmonton and area, it does show that the overall listings have gone down from last month. So sales continue to be in the $300,000 to $400,000 price range. Year to date, we've had over 11,000 properties sold in Edmonton and area, and that's a good number, but it's actually quite low based on the past years before, and that's what's also having a big indication on our real estate market. With a higher level of inventory and lower sales, obviously it is definitely more of a buyer's market. We're currently sitting at 6.14 months of inventory, and so we're still pretty consistent with a very high buyer's market. It does show that the market is coming down in terms of the buyer's market kind of leveling off to a balanced market just on statistics, but in actual real life, in the field and what we're seeing, we definitely are not seeing a slowdown in the price dropping of properties. So consistent with that is if you look at the average sold price with single family homes, townhouses and condos, they've all gone down and they do continue to go down. We are, like I said last month, we are in a declining market. So market prices continue to drop month over month. When properties aren't selling at this amount of price, it's very likely that your house is overpriced and we have to lower, not just to the market value, but below market value, because below market value last month is actually maybe even a little high for this month's market value. So if you look at the average days on market, we're sitting at 64, and again, that's more days on market. But if you want to take a look at specific communities, I have been taking a look at the daily count of certain neighborhoods, such as Secord in the far west end, or if you're looking in Radigan Ridge, which is right more central, they have different days on market. Different neighborhoods have a better buyers/balanced market, and some are more of a buyer's market for sure, especially the areas in suburban areas. All the new builds we've been helping our buyers buy and help them build or buy a spec home, they've been getting a really good deal. But that being said, there are still builders out there that are not willing to reduce their prices, and so it still has that void. So make sure you speak to myself or a realtor to make sure that you have the proper understanding of what an actual good deal is. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll see you next month.